Hello everyone, my name is Zhizhong Hong.
My name is Yuanxin Wang.
Our project name is Flappy Bird Game. We use Python code to implement the project. In the start page, we have 3 buttons. The play button is to play the game. Scoreboard button is to restore the top 10 highest scores in the last. The instruction button is to help us to learn how to play the game. We designed 2 modes of the game, the single player and the dual player. In the single player mode, we can control the bird using the page up and page down and left click. In the dual player mode, we can control the bird using the page up and page down, and control the second bird using the W and S. And we can still use the blank button to pause the game.
Okay, so now let's try the single player mode. So we hit player button and we choose the single player mode. So when you hit the button, it will require you to enter a NetID, which is used to store your the score in the scoreboard function. And for me, I can type like WY2243. This is my NetID. And also you will jump into this page which allow you to choose 2 different background settings. One is daytime, one is night. So we first try the daytime mode. So when you get into the game, you can control the bird using the up and down button. You can also hear the sound effect, and for each player you have 3 lives. And when you hit a pipe or hit the ground, you will lose 1 life. So right now you can see you hit a pipe, so you lose 1 life. And also there is a score at the top left corner. You can see it's incrementing when you pass a pipe. And one trick about our game is like when you score up to 10, the Flappy Bird will change to Flappy Joe, and you can continue play the game with the Flappy Joe bird. And let's see if we hit the pipe and it will end. And you can see your score at the scoreboard function. You can see this is my username and this is the score I just got. And we also try the nighttime mode. So you can see the background, the pipe, and the bird are all changed. I can also type the PiTFT to control the bird. So this is all for the single player mode.
Okay, great. Thanks, guys.
Very nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now let's try the dual player. For the dual player, it also allows you to choose 2 different modes, and we can use 2 buttons to control the bird. And the game will end when both the player dies, and the player with higher mode will win the game. So this is the second player, and you can see the player 2 wins.